I was going to leave my camera, but when I saw this bush, I had to go back upstairs. Now you know this is some nigga. This nigga done got him a used Ford Taurus, and now he can't park in a lane. He got to park 2 lanes. Here is one of those intersections where, in order for me to be safe, I have to break the law. Now, does that make sense? I have to break the law to be safe. I can either make the left turn in the right spot and drive on the wrong side of the road, or I can make it in the wrong spot, but I can see both ways. Well, I look at it like this. I'm trying to be safe, so I'm going to make it in the wrong spot. I cannot see if I make it in the right spot. Oh damn, I just remembered something. There's a sexy young man that's getting ready to walk by. He is one sexy ass truck driver. He ain't got much of a dick print though. Alright, dude, I want y'all to look at the back of my truck. See anything missing? I had my truck parked at my company for about 2 weeks. Come out last night, start the truck up, walked around and noticed something looked a little weird. Something broke and stole my ball. Can you believe that bullshit? Some broke in this world. Dre, y'all have a good day.
Which is important to Tea Party type people. So you say the word amnesty in a speech and you got people's attention. And that was equally true of the media.
So they started to hit it. The little team working behind Brad, they started to notice every time they talked about amnesty, they'd get a reaction.
This motherfucker here. Dummy!
Have as part
I got something to show y'all.
Tool.
Y'all ready for this?
On our website, right?
Is that not tight or what? No, the scratches are already there. I'm gonna move because it might be a tornado, and if it start rocking the truck, it's gonna hit this pole. So I'm gonna get about 2 inches off the pole.